More than 1,500 pieces of space junk now threatening the astronauts on board the International Space Station.
Yeah, tonight the State Department confirming it was a Russian's weapons test that created the space debris. The debris is from an old Russian satellite destroyed by that missile test.
The 7 astronauts on board the space station had to seek shelter as they passed dangerously close to the space junk many times today.
Yeah, we have so many questions about this, so joining us now to explain more, space policy expert Greg Autry from Arizona State University.
All right, Greg, thanks for being with us, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for taking me on my ride from a conference in Las Vegas to LA. So here we are.
I thought you were in your underground lair.
No, I'm in my Tesla.
Okay, well, that's much better. All right, listen. How big does the material have to be in order for the space junk to be considered a threat like it was?
How big does a bullet have to be a threat? These things are traveling 18,000 miles per hour. A flake of paint could kill you.
That is wild. I mean, it actually does sound quite scary. Is this rare, or does this happen often? Occurring because of a test, so to speak?
Yeah, the problem is this stuff isn't going to just go away. Now, we haven't had enough time probably to analyze how long it's going to stay in orbit, but we are still routinely dodging material from a Chinese test conducted in 2007. These irresponsible explosions of satellites create thousands of these pieces, again, moving at 18,000 miles per hour, often perpendicularly to the space station, which basically ends up going through this cloud every 90 minutes. So this is a huge problem. It could last for years or even decades.
So the space junk here that we're talking about was created by the Russians. Can they get any? Are there any ramifications or laws, or is it just all?
Yeah. No, we really badly need a treaty preventing the kinetic testing of weapons in what's called low Earth orbit, the crowded part of Earth orbit. That should simply not be allowed. I'm excited to see that Secretary Blinken got right on this, condemning it. But the Vice President, who heads the National Space Council, should call immediately for a treaty to an international ban on these activities.
And when we talked about it, we said that the crew was able to find shelter, but then I'm thinking, well, they're in space, so what are they able to do to actually protect themselves? And we say they found shelter. Yeah. Where were they finding?
Yeah, this is not good. They're in their capsules, the Soyuz and the SpaceX Dragon capsules, so that they could, if the space station is severely damaged, return to Earth, hopefully. That's what's really going on. And the capsules have a little bit of more shielding because they're designed to make it back through the atmosphere, but this isn't designed to protect you from space junk. You could still very easily be killed by this stuff in those capsules.
Yikes. Okay, I didn't know that. That's terrifying.